welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this candle making kit. It was actually sent to me from a seller on Amazon, and I will link where you can actually purchase this down in the description box below. But we're gonna get right into this. I have been wanting to try one of these for a while now, so I was like, yes. I've always wanted to make my own candles, but it's just one of those things that you really you want to do, but you just never buy the stuff to do it. And it's just like it's something that, I don't know, it's like you think about, but you just never get around to doing. So I'm glad that this was sent to me. So now I get to try it out. I'm probably going to want to read the instructions on this one. This is so cool. So it came with like little gift bags if you're making like a gift. Comes with instructions on how to do everything. Stickers. I don't know what these are. To read the instructions. Look at these little candle pots. So it comes with just some regular ones like this, some designs. So 3 designs, and then 3 regulars, digital thermometer, some candle wicks. I'm not sure what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4 candle bags of like candle wax. A little spoon to stir everything with, so you're not running one of your own spoons. And then here's the pot you're going to heat it up with. That's cool because you can just heat it up and pour it out at the same time. And then it has little color, like where you can put this with the wax to give the wax a color. It comes with red, blue, yellow, purple, and green. And I'm going to do green because I'm going to keep this in my room. So it does come with all of that. Some little sticks to where you put the candle wick through and you put it over the lid so that it doesn't go all the way in. And then these are the scents. Let's see what kind of scents they sent. This is pretty cool. And I don't think it's like crazy expensive. It's like less than buying like I think it's like under $30, and that's how much like a candle at Bath and Body Works. And you can make your own. And I mean, once you have pretty much the basics down, you can do bigger candles as well. And you can buy like the candle holders if you're wanting something bigger than this. Super easy because these are like all the essentials. Ooh. So I have rose. I love the smell of roses. I have spring, lavender. I don't know if you'd watched my video about my oil diffuser. My husband hates lavender. And I love the smell of lavender, so I'm always putting lavender in the house. Vanilla. I'm going to do vanilla. Vanilla is probably one of my favorite scents ever. Ooh, lemon. I don't know. Lemon's pretty good too. I'm probably going to go with vanilla just because I love the smell of like someone baking in the kitchen. If you ever come into my house, it smells super like sweet and like kind of woody. I like woody scents, sweet scents. So I have like different scentsies throughout the house. So if you walk through each room, it might smell different just because I love smells. So that's why I was like really excited about this because I'm like, ooh, more candles. Okay, so these little stickers right here, you put it at the bottom of the little tin thing, and that's what holds the wicks on. So that's pretty cool to know. So I'm going to record this, but there's not going to be any sound because I have to go in the kitchen to cook this, and I have 4 kids, and they are extremely noisy. So I'm going to have to do this without any sound because otherwise it's just going to turn out horribly. So I will be recording, like I said, no sound. So right here, I'm just getting the candles, opening them. I have the nails on, so it's super hard for me to open stuff, so I just use the spatula. And then I'm using these little sticker things. You just take the tape off, and you put them right at the bottom of the can, just like so. Super easy. Then you get the wick, and you push it on top of there. Super simple. Okay, and now I am just putting these little plastic wooden sticks, and it's just to keep the candle straight. So when you pour everything in, it doesn't like get crooked. And I'm putting vanilla scent inside the candle wax. I did not show how much of the candle. It's basically a whole bag. You just pour a whole bag in there, and then you're going to add those color little waxes to give it a color. But I found that it did not, like I used green and it did not make it green. I'm sorry, you can see my son on the floor throwing a tantrum. So yeah, I used 2 of those to do a whole bag. Okay, and right here I'm putting the vanilla scent in there, and it says to use half the bottle. I kind of use a little more, and I shouldn't have actually put it in there before I finished melting the wax, but I did. But lesson learned, next time I will do it afterwards, so don't do it right now. Just wait till all the wax is melted. Okay, so right here I'm just stirring everything. The candle wax is already melted at this point, so I'm just making sure that there's no like hard wax left, which is super easy to tell because it's clear in there. And right here, I'm just checking on the thermometer to make sure that it's heated up to the point. I think it's like 70 Celsius is what it's supposed to be too. So that's what I did. Okay, so I removed it off the stove, and that little yellow silicone thing is actually to place the pot on. So it was good to know. Make sure that you're using some mittens to grab it because the pan is metal, so it's super hot. And then I just poured it inside the candle wax holders, I don't know, the candles, and it actually did quite more than I thought it was. I thought like maybe 2, but it actually did a lot more candles. As you can see here, it did 3 and a little, like maybe a quarter of another one. So almost 4, but not quite. So I'm going to just put that candle wick back inside the little container, seal it, and then when I make another one, I will actually be able to just add some more candle wax and have multiple scents on that candle, which would be pretty cool. And then I just put everything away, and then I cut the wicks, and that's pretty much it. It was super easy to do, and I really enjoyed doing it. I've never made a candle before, and now I can say that I have, and they smell absolutely amazing. Sorry, but look how pretty that is. Isn't that so nice? Super pretty, and like I said, it smells so good. I actually want to buy some like bigger candles and continue to do this. It's something that I really did enjoy doing, so I will definitely be doing this more often when I have spare time. And these are the gift bags, so I am going to be gifting these, and if you don't get one, I'm so sorry. Like, I don't have a lot inside the box, but I do want to give some to some of my friends, so like I said, please forgive me if you don't get one. There's only 6 in there, and I did want to keep one inside my room because I love candles. If you know anything about me, I like things that smell good. And you will be able to see on the outro that I did put a sticker on the outside of this bag, but I ended up taking that off just because it actually goes on the tin, like the just metal cans. It actually goes on top of those. Okay, so my overall thoughts on this look, I mean, it was super, super easy to do. And like the instructions were really easy to follow. And now I have a pretty gift to give one of my friends. I already know who I'm going to give it to. So I'm super excited about this. And then on top of it, like, I just left the extra like little residue down there because it really doesn't matter because you're just going to remelt it and it's not like it's going to come out anyway. I love everything that it came with. I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and then a little bit was left over for the other one, and I just kind of bent the wick and put it back in there, and like when I do another one, I'll just finish filling it up. I do wish that it came with like a bigger candle, but like let's say you're done using a candle but it has like a really pretty jar, you could reuse that jar and just make a new candle out of it. They smell really good. Like I like that I chose vanilla because it does really smell like really, really good. And then they're like really good gifts. You just put the lid on, package it up, and it's ready to go. So love them. Look how cute that is too. And this is like if you like know a boy or something, even without that, I mean, that's still super cute. I love them. Super cute. So I also wanted to show you lighting it. I was like done with this video, but I'm like, what's the point of doing this if you don't even light it? So I'm gonna go ahead and light one. So this smells so good. I'm glad I went with vanilla. It's one of my favorite scents. I should have did lavender and put it in my room. But that lavender oil diffuser, I think my husband would probably go crazy with the smell. But they smell really good. So yes, I'm going to put this to where my children can't get a hold of it and let it burn and make my house smell good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it burns. It does really well and it smells really, really good. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.